Good morning, Falcons. This video is going to be a little longer today because I'm going to give you specific details of how to submit your work and what we're going to be doing. So we're not going to have a morning meeting topic to share today. You're going to have 2 assignments to do as your morning meeting. Your first assignment is to make sure that you have Google Hangouts that looks like this downloaded in your app. So if you don't have Google Hangouts, make sure you have downloaded it. And when you get in, I'm already signed in, but sign in with your ASA email. When you download with your ASA email, it will automatically join you to our class. So if you do not see that you're joined to my class, send me a message. Once you have joined Google Hangouts, please send me a comment on Google Hangouts, like a thumbs up or an emoji or just, hey, I'm here, so I can check that we are all enrolled in Google Hangouts. We're going to start using Google Hangouts to schedule conferences, so make sure you all have Google Hangouts. It's easier if you download the app on your iPad. This is on my computer, so it looks a little different. Okay, the second thing I want to make sure that you all have is Google Classroom. So you should all have Google Classroom already downloaded, and we should already all be signed in. So get into Google Classroom, and when you go into Google Classroom, we are going to complete all of our assignments on there today. I know some of you said it was a little bit hard to go from Seesaw to Google Classroom and back and forth. It got confusing. So we're going to stay all in Google Classroom from now on. You're going to use Google Classroom in middle school, so it's going to make it easier for next year if we learn this year. So you're going to go into my classroom, and on the stream section, if I have any like comments or announcements, they'll show up here. So at 9:30, you'll see one that says comment below, so I can know that you're in Google Classroom. So you just comment below. It's not there yet. On classwork, you're going to see exhibition writing, U of I, reading, and you'll also have one that says math. It's not here yet because it's scheduled for 9:30. So, and you can click on here as well, and you'll see just those certain assignments, and they'll be very specific. So, on exhibition writing, for example, this one's for today. They have the dates, March 25th. I'll add March 25 here. You'll click on it. So let's do U of I. You'll click on U of I. It's assigned. That means you haven't turned it in. View assignment. The instructions are here, so you read it. So here you're going to spend 40 minutes today researching, and you're going to apply by submitting a Google Doc. If it tells you to take a picture, then take a picture. But it says reply by submitting a Google document. You're going to find at least one YouTube video that you use today, copy the link, and then write 4 sentences below the link of what you learned in the video. So the way you do it to reply, if you have a question, comment here and I can reply to you. Like if you don't know what to do on that specific assignment, comment here. And it's a lot easier for me to reply. And then when you're ready, you're going to go to add or create. And I'm going to go to Docs because it wants me to reply by Google Docs. You click on it, it takes a little bit. You'll click on it. So it already has the title of Exhibition Research, March 25th. So here I'll put my YouTube link. Obviously you would have an actual link. I'm just making a thing. And then you'll have your 4 sentences below of the summary of what you learned. You would actually have 4 sentences. So that once you have an actual YouTube link above, you have your 4 sentences below, you go where it says turn in. Right here on the very top right. Don't share it, turn it in. So do not click share, click turn in. when you click turn in, you'll see that it comes up on here, and you click turn in. One attachment, turn in, and then it'll say turned in on the very top right. If you for some reason think you made a mistake, you just click unsubmit. So you don't have to message me like, hey, delete it. Just click unsubmit and then do it again. Again, if you have any questions, you comment on that specific assignment right below and I'll answer you. I will be able to give you private comments like, hey, you forgot to add the link, or you don't have 4 sentences. Just keep reading those. So if you go back to the class, go back to classwork when you finish with that one, and you'll see your math section has a date, exhibition writing, U of I has March 25th, and it has reading March 25th. It's the exact same thing. If you click on reading response, click view assignment, again, it tells you what to do. To submit by a Google Doc or attaching a picture of your reading notebook. If you're going to attach a picture, you're going to go to link, so where it says your work, go to add or create, go to to file, and then you can select from your device and upload a picture. If you want to do the Google Doc, click add or create, same procedure, go to doc, and then I'll start creating an assignment. Make sure, again, see it's kind of creating it, you click on it, and then you answer your reading response. So if this was my reading response, I have a title of the book, the day I read it, and I should have at least 5 sentences. Once I have it, check for any words that are misspelled. Click turn in, make sure you have capital letters, make sure you have your punctuation marks. Click turn in, and again, it should be turned in. If you have any questions, please make sure you ask me. Again, it was a little longer because it had instructions, but all your work is on Google Classroom for today. So make sure you go on Google Classroom to complete all of your work. There will not be an assignment on Seesaw. So a quick reminder, right now, your job is to make sure you have Google Classroom. Go into Google Classroom and click on the announcement when you walk in. It says comment with your favorite ice cream below. I should have 20 comments by the end of the day. And very, very important, make sure you have Google Hangouts downloaded and sign in with your ASA email or your personal email. If you have any questions, just message me through Google Hangouts, send me an email, or through Seesaw. Hope you have a great day.